Hi dear students, welcome to business studies class. So in this video we are going to learn about what are the limitations or disadvantage of planning. In first video we are going to see about what are the advantage or importance of planning. So in this video we are going to see about the limitations and disadvantage of planning. So here is a list of limitation of planning. So just I will read it. After that I will going to explain the one by one. So first is planning leads to rigidity. Next, planning may not work in dynamic environment. Next, planning reduce creativity. Next, planning involves a huge cost. Next, planning is a time consuming process. And last one, planning does not guarantee success. Okay, so let's start with the first one. Planning leads to rigidity. Leads to rigidity. Rigidity means fixed, means if you did a planning at once, you are not able to change the things. The plannings are fixed things. So what it means, it kills the creativity of employees because employees blindly following plans made by a manager. So planning is a function of a management. So within a planning is made by top level management only, and other employees, otherwise other level of management who are comes under the middle level or lower level, they are blindly following what are the plans made by a top level of management. So it kills the creativity of middle level and lower level as well as employees creativity. Suppose to carry out that work, employees have a better idea rather than what the top level management did a plan for it. So the employee doesn't have a choice, otherwise they don't have any opportunity to participate in planning process. Only planning process it is carried out by top level of management. The employees are not going to carry out the planning process. So it kills the creativity of employee, and because they are blindly following what are the plans made by the top level of management. So employee does not have freedom to take a participate in planning process, although if they have a good idea to carry out business also. But it kills the creativity of employee because they don't have the freedom to participate in planning process. So it is a first limitation, or you can call the disadvantage, because what the top level of management did a plan, employee should follow that thing only without any arguments. Next is planning may not work in dynamic environment. So in third chapter, what is the environment? Within that we are seeing what are the feature of that environment. So environment, otherwise business environment, it is a dynamic, means it is always changing. Maybe a dynamic environment, maybe it comes under the what are the social environment, it is also changing. Political environment, it is also going to be changing. Economical, technical, social, all these things environments are always changing. These things are not a constant. So business environment, it is a dynamic. Everyone agree with it, because at today what is going to be happen tomorrow, what is going to be happen, no one going to be predict the things. So business environment, it is always changing. So there is a continuous change takes place in economic, social and political environment. So suppose if you did a plans for plan today, you are going to executing that plan after 1 month, but we don't know what is going to be happen, otherwise what business environment, otherwise what are the economical, social, political, these things are going to be changed after 1 month. So we are not going to predict the things today only. So we are not able to make made a plan today uh, means by keeping in mind these environments. So these environments are always changing. So planning may not work in such situations. So hence it is difficult to forecast the change at initial stage only. So if change is frequent, planning may fail there. If the planning, if you did a plan after if you are going to executing that plan after 1 month, but what is going to be happen after 1 month, we don't know. Suddenly some things are going to be arise at that time, and what you did a plan at that time, so it is going to be fail. You can take the live example. Suppose due to the lockdown, how many marriages are fixed. So due to these things we are not going to enjoy totally. So due to the dynamic environment, the planning what you did, it is not going to be work at that time. So next one, planning reduce creativity. So planning is done by top level of management. Other members just implement that plan. At first point only I told that planning it is the work of top level management only. What are the middle level and lower level of management, otherwise employees, they are blindly following that plan. So suppose any creative idea have with the middle level or lower level or employees, so they are not able to tell that thing because it is a work of top level management, and it is a work of middle level and lower level or otherwise employees. They should follow what the top level of management plan did. They should follow that plan. So it that reduce the creativity of other employees. So if any idea among the other employees or other level of management due to blindly following plans reduce the creativity. Next, planning involves a huge cost. So planning it is an intellectual process, so it requires the application of logical systematic thing. Otherwise it requires the application of mind. It should be a good and psychological things. Your mind should have a good logical things, otherwise systematic things. Means it is actually intellectual process, or you can call the psychological process. So it need high professional expert. So to do a planning for your organization, you are required a high professional expertise. So for that expertise you should some pay a fees to do a plans. So it requires a huge cost for it requires a huge cost to do a plans. So detailed plans required. Suppose you want to go for the detailed plans for the production, otherwise manufacturing organization. So it requires some calculation which involves the huge cost. Some plans required researches also. So for researchers purpose also you should require a huge cost. So rather than the executing the plans, sometimes you required a huge cost for planning at initial stage only. Next, planning is a time consuming process. Yes, because planning takes a long time to evaluate alternative and select the best one, so action may be get delay. So when you are doing a planning to carry out one work, suppose there are more than one goals are there, you there are if the goals are more, then only you should require a planning. And if you did a planning to carry out that work, there are n number of otherwise multiple ways are there, otherwise multiple paths are there. So by doing by all path we can get our goals, no doubt within that. But which is a suitable path we have to choose here, that is the work of manager. Manager should choose a best alternative, otherwise manager should choose a best path. To choose a best path, what manager have to do, manager should check each path. To carry out that work, manager should check each path. Suppose to carry out one work, there are four different ways are there, otherwise four different paths are there. So manager have to check a four different path by doing the work, means by four different methods. So if the manager is going to do that thing, it is time consuming process. But it is important to check all the path and select best appropriate path which is suitable to carry out work. That path should have maximum advantage and minimum limitation. But it is a time consuming process because we have to check all the paths, we have to check all the methods to carry out that work. So hence it is in emergency case planning may not suitable, because at emergency case we have to take a decision at that time only. That time we don't have any time to evaluate all the paths, we have to take a decision suddenly. So planning it is not suitable in emergency case, it is suitable only pre-planned cases only. Next, planning does not guarantee success. So most important thing, if you are going for planning, you are involving huge cost for a planning, you are consuming time for a planning. If you are doing all these things for a planning, but if it is a guarantee for success, the answer is no. Because business environments are dynamic, it is always changing. So if you did a plan, your plans are correct also, but due to the social factor, due to the political factor, due to the economical factor, your plan may be not going to give a guarantee success. So that is the main limitation of planning. So plan forecast the future, but sometimes future is uncertain. So we can forecast the future. So what we are going to do in a future, we are going for the plan of it, no doubt within that. But if any political, technical, social, anything, this environment is going to be changed at that time, so we are not going to give a guarantee for a success. That time may be chance of losses for your business. So sometimes plans which worked in a past, it may not work in a future due to the dynamic environment. So no guarantee of success. If you did a plan for a last year and it worked good, it given a maximum advantage to your organization, and if you are following the same plans for the next year, that time we are not going to give any assurance about it, it is going to give that much of profit in this year also, because business environments are always changing. So planning does not give the guarantee of success. So it is a most important point within the limitation. I hope you have got the thing. If you have any doubt, please comment below. So thank you, bye bye, take care.